Hi everyone, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel and it is growing day by day. Thank you. So today we will use GeoGebra app to make this type of animation what you are seeing on the screen. And when you learn about this technique, you may draw or construct better than this. So let's start. So I opened a new page or new file. Here the graphics view is there and the left side algebraic view is there. Whatever I type it will be here. So first is I need a slider here to increase and decrease the size of the figure or the radius of the circle. So I'll go for a slider tool and here I'm writing this is a number and number is I'm taking 2 to 4. You can take 2 to 5, 2 to 6 according to your or you can experimentally go how it looks like. And the increment should be very small. I'm taking 0.05, not even 1. You can make 0.01. You can see how it is changing. Then press OK. So next I'll make a circle, and to make a figure symmetric I'm doing the center as this origin. So for that I'll go to the circle tool, circle, center and radius. I'll click on just origin and it is asking, whenever I click it will ask what is the radius. I'm taking radius as variable, that is A. OK. So immediately it is drawing a circle. Now here the design depends on how you are making. You can making 4 circles, you can making 5, you can making 8, you can making 12. So it depends on how you are dividing the angles of a circle. You can make 60 degree, 90 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree. I am taking here 45 degree. You can make also 30. See how it is changing, the design is changing. For that figure I have taken 45 degrees. So I'll take, I'll mark a point on this object on the circle and I'm making this angle as 45, 45, 45. So the whole circle is 360 degree. If we divide into 45, it will be 8 circle will be here. If we make 30 degree, it will be more circles, 12 circles, but the design will be slightly different. So making a fixed angle here, I am making the angle, fixed angle with given size, I am making 45 degree. So I will click on B, click on A, then 45 degree, counterclockwise, checked, yes, okay. See this B dash point is B dash A B is 45 degree. I am not drawing it, joining this line, only I am marking the points on the circles. So next I will go for B dash B and again 45 degree it is asking, yes, okay. So all these points will be on this circle. So next is, as I have already chosen this or it is highlighted, so immediately you can go for this. Next B double dash A and here 45 counterclockwise, okay. Then B triple dash A 45 degree, yes. Then it is marking C A 45 degree, okay. C dash A 45 degree, okay, and another more is there, 45 degree, it is okay. So many points are there. We are getting how many points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points. So on the 8 points, I'll draw circle again with the same radius. Radius is variable, that is A. It may be, it will change the, according to this, I will change the slider. So I am marking from A. So I will take a circle circle with center and radius. I'll mark it A, B. So radius is A. Okay. Then at B dash A. Okay. Next B double dash A. Okay. Next B triple dash A. Radius. Okay. Then C. Radius is again A. Okay. C single dash A. Okay. Then C triple dash A. Okay. One more is there. That is your this one. So this design is made. Now we'll make into different colors. And if you move this slider, you can see how it is increasing and decreasing. The size is increasing and decreasing. And here we have to do some more things to make it colorful and other things. What to do? First I am taking this I am selecting the whole things, though it is not easy. Yes, it will be easy. Let me do. Okay, I have selected this. Then I'll color this circle one by one with one colors. So circle started from here. See, let's see this algebraic view. A was the point. C is the circle. This circle I will not show. That means I will delete this circle. So I will click on this. It will delete it. Next, what I'll delete? I'll delete all the points. What are the points I'll delete? I'll delete your B single dash, then B double dash, then B triple dash, then C, then C dash. I am unchecking so that they will be hidden. C triple dash, then all this is good. Next I will hide angles. So for this I will start from alpha, beta, gamma, delta, eta, psi, mu, all this angle gone or one angle is there still. Okay, all this gone. Next, what I have to take, see this F, G, these are the name. I want them to, I'll go here. The label I will hide. G, you can select one by one or you can select one, selecting this one, not show label. That means uncheck the show label. Uncheck the show label. What else is there? This H is there. I don't want this point also. A first point, and this Q I don't want. so many things, so I have to check it. Okay, then see, so no point is there, nothing is there, it is beautiful. Then I'll hide this graphics. That means, so to hide the graphics, I'll go for the hiding this axes. Then I'll click here to make it background is white. Next, coming to making this circle colorful and more designing. So I'll go for this one. Here I'll go for settings, color. I'm making this as a red, and see one option is there, show trash. We have to trashing point, how it is moving, it will show. In the same way, you can move, you can select all together, or you can do one by one, or you can click one, you can change it. So this is F. Now I'll go for circle G. This color I'm making blue, and this basic is grass. Next I'll go for this circle. Green. So it will be very interesting if you ask your children to make, they will enjoy it. It must be blue. Okay, so I've done it. Now let's see. You can find one circle is not showing the points on the trace. That means this circle we have not gone for this option. So that's why it is moving like this. See how it is changing. Now we'll make animation on. Go to the slider, animation. Here the animation is to and fro. You can only do your either increasing or decreasing. Now you can hide this view, close. You can move set the screen here. So I think it is beautiful and interesting. You can change the different angles. You can change different colors. You can change the background also. Without making, instead of making this circle as black, you can make the background color black, and the other thing will be other color. It will be, you will find that it is very interesting. You can stop animation here, and I want to show one thing. This animation also you can make it a speed you can make. You can increase the speed, you can decrease the speed, and you will find a beautiful design. Thank you for watching. You can save it, you can save it to computer, you can save it to online. All the options are